Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming your phone is unlocked and compatible. This prevents activation errors. Once done, decide SIM or eSIM so you know what to order. Make sure you have your ID, payment method, and current carrier account details if you plan to port a number. Now log into Mint Mobile or open the app and start a new activation. Follow on-screen prompts that request IMEI or eSIM setup. This immediate, focused start saves time and avoids backtracking later. Next, pick a plan term 3, 6, or 12 months and review the pricing. Promotions change often, so confirm totals. Then enter your personal details and choose whether to get a new number or port your existing one. If you port, carefully input the exact account number and port PIN from your current carrier because mismatches cause delays. Once submitted, Mint will process the port and provide activation steps. For eSIM, scan the QR they give, or install the physical SIM and power cycle your device. Finally, complete any APN settings or let Mint configure them automatically. This enables full data and MMS functionality. Make test calls, send texts, and use mobile data. Restart the device if service doesn't appear right away. Set up voicemail and confirm emergency calling works, then store your Mint account credentials for billing and support. If you run into problems, one key troubleshooting tip: restart the phone, reset the SIM, or rescan the eSIM QR and verify the port details. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.